This is my new fire grate that I just picked up off of Amazon, and I will tell you I'm extremely happy with it and happy with the results. My previous fire grate was a lot lower and I couldn't get my shovel underneath to get it cleaned out, which of course the ash built up and kind of suffocated the fire a little bit. Having this taller grate allows more airflow, which will create the updraft a little bit better. The problem I was having with the other one is I couldn't clean out from under it, so I had to move the thing to clean out from under it, which if it's hot, that doesn't work very well. And then two, because the airflow wasn't flowing underneath it as well as it could have been, I was getting smoke coming back into the house rather than flowing out the chimney the way it's supposed to. Another thing that's really cool about it, it's underneath the grate itself. It has some mesh metal that catches the embers. You can see the embers sitting here. And what that does is it lets the smaller embers and ash drop to the bottom, and it keeps the bigger embers in the actual wood, which will allow for burning efficiency as well and help with that. And that way I can clean out while I have a fire going and not worry about cleaning out all my embers and having to just start the fire all the way over. This fire grate has been awesome, and I look forward to using it for a long time to come. It is made out of 1/2 inch thick square tubing, and it's cast iron, which should give it a nice long life. So if you're in the market for a new fire grate, I would definitely check out this one.